Title, CELP Speaking Test Overview. Total time, about 10-12 minutes, with 6 tasks and a warm-up. Format, 2 testers per candidate. Testers rate responses independently. Warm-up, 1 minute, say hello, check identity, and introduce yourself briefly. Task 1, describe something, 1 minute. Talk in detail about a place, your hometown, a local store, or a favorite vacation spot. Task 2, share a story, 1 minute. Tell about a past experience like getting a driver's license or planning a trip. Tasks 3, 6, give your opinion, 2-3 minutes each. Discuss your views on topics like ethics, education, or current events. How you're rated. Task fulfillment, how well you complete the task. Language control, how well you use language to express ideas. Intelligibility, how easy it is to understand you. Scores, 4 points. Outstanding performance, no issues understanding you. 3 points. Good performance, speaks fluently and clearly on complex topics. 2 points. Fair, some inconsistency in fluency or precision. 1 point, limited ability, hard to understand. 0 points, task not attempted or very little shown. Candidates can earn up to 4 points for each task, plus an extra point for overall impressive performance.